coverage you can count on with meteorologist Rob Elvington and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
And it's been a dry evening throughout North Alabama, but yeah, look off into the distance. It's about 65 miles away. You can see all that lightning with that thunderstorm. It's actually still in North Georgia right now. So yeah, we're trying to see some of those storms make their way into Alabama from out of North Georgia, but thankfully it's nowhere near the scale of storms that we saw last night at about 10 o'clock. So again, that's what we're seeing right now. That right there, that's our Guntersville radar, and that's also where our tower cam is, of course, part of the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. And we're seeing that lightning from about 70 miles away. Some good news, again, this has been weakening over the last 30 to 45 minutes, but it's about to cross over the state line. It was turning to the northwest some, but now appears to be moving more to the due west. So it should stay off to the south of DeKalb County and Marshall County, but we'll keep an eye on that here into the overnight hours. Other than those clusters of storms off to our southeast, we are seeing clear skies and dry conditions throughout the rest of North Alabama. For the day tomorrow, we're back up to at least the mid-90s, if not the upper 90s. One thing that may keep that in check tomorrow, we are expecting storms to start to move in by 2-3 p.m. from out of the northwest. So if we haven't hit our high yet, if those storms move in, that should put it into the warming for the rest of your Friday. And of course, those are just the air temperature. You tack on the humidity, that pushes the heat index, or what it feels like, back up to or even above 105. And 105 is the criteria for a heat advisory. So that's why for the 5th day in a row, we have a heat advisory issued for Friday. That goes through 7 p.m. tomorrow. So here's a look at future radar. This is right around 7:30 tomorrow morning. You'll notice that we have mostly clear skies. Then we head into the afternoon, and then right around 2-3 o'clock, you've got this little cluster of storms racing in from out of the northwest. This is out ahead of the main cold front. The cold front's still off to the north, even still north of Nashville, but we can have those storms out ahead of the cold front, bringing some heavy rain, but more importantly, some damaging winds, and even the threat of some hail. It's a low risk for severe weather tomorrow, but still something we'll have to keep an eye on through your Friday afternoon, Friday evening. And then once we get past that, we're staying mostly dry all the way through your Saturday morning and into your Saturday afternoon. Of course, the big story with Saturday will be the humidity. So let's take a look at tomorrow. This is Friday, 3 o'clock, and we still have plenty of deep greens on the map. Again, it's that muggy, humid air mass that's been in place all work week. But watch this. Here's the front. Look at all of the browns moving in. That's the drier air behind the cold front. That's going to bring some relief, even though highs are still in the low 90s on Saturday. And all the way into Monday and even Tuesday of next week, we're not seeing the deep greens. And again, next week, Monday and Tuesday, that's when the heat wave starts to build back in. So we're going to go from 91 on Sunday back up to 98 degrees on Monday. Keep in mind for Huntsville, that's the highest air temperature that we've seen so far this week and of course this year. We hit 98 yesterday in Huntsville. Muscle Shoals, you've hit 99 twice, today and yesterday. Then we're forecasting highs right around 100 for Tuesday, 101 on Wednesday. Again, these are air temperatures, not the heat index values. Heat index values should not be too bad because the drier air is still in place when we see those triple digits. And then look at this. Last time we hit 100 in Huntsville, it was on October 3rd, 2019. So coming up on 3 years, so definitely possible, but it's been a while.